Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add music to GoPro Quik app. So let's get straight into it. Now first thing what you need to do is open up your uh, app. So Google Quik app. Then when you need to be in editing mode. So if you go here to the studio, down at the bottom you see four icons. So one is album, media, studio and GoPro. Now go to the studio and right in here you will see suggestions and my edits. So I have one video here, so I can tap on it like that. Now you can see it's playing. So at the bottom here you will see icon like a pencil, so click on that. So now it will sync a little bit. Okay, so now we are in editing mode. Now what we need to do is go here to the music. So I can stop that. So we can go here to the music and you will see here you can choose no music, or you have some already implemented these songs right here, but you can always add it. So you will see here at the right side this circle icon with a note on it, if you can see. So click on that and you will be redirected to the library. So here you can see already added music in it. This one with this blue circle and with the lightning in it, this means that it's premium, so you need to be subscribed to the GoPro subscription that you can use those music. The music that don't have that, so the songs that don't have that, you can freely use. Now you can also add your own music. So you will see here at the top these two menus. So one is GoPro Music and the second one is My Music. And right here you will see the music which you have on your mobile phone. So right now I have just two music on my mobile phone, and what I can do is just select this music, and now it's added to this edit which I'm working on. So now I have my music also right here. So what I can do now, I can now also cut this music where I want and so on. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.